Bye bye tune. About 1 hour delay there because I had to take 2 passengers off, got the bags off, and then just as we were about to go, another passenger got sick. I had to take them off and then find their bags. Here we are. Six hours, 45 minutes to Dubai. Bit of fun jumping in a tuk tuk, but just make sure you negotiate the price or they'll have you. The taxis are a lot cheaper. So there is another way to get around Bangkok and we're going to show you that next. So you want to eat here first?
I'm just looking at the time now, 1:45. Yeah, by 2.
So this is Koh San Road. We didn't ask them to drop us off yet, but you get that.
Good job we don't mind.
Going to get some food. It's cheap enough along this street. Somehow we'll manage to find my way where we want to be. I know. So from Koh San Road we just literally followed my nose to the river and we got there. That's like a tourist one, a little bit pricey. Not, I say pricey, we're not looking for tourist ones though, we're looking for just a normal river taxi. So the next station along is for public. And we'll see where that takes us. Hopefully some food. Right, we're at the other one there. It's like Pra Athrit, number 13, N13. That's the pier for when we come back, because where we're staying is literally 5 minutes from here. Go through this beautiful little park that we were at last night. So we're going to go, I don't know, somewhere with food. No plan, this way. 200 baht each. So that basically you've got this whole day, jump on and off. So it's not super cheap. You can do these ones, or you can do it, was it 90 baht for one way?
60 baht.
Was it?
60 baht. And you could only get off once, so it wasn't multiple stops.
So worth it if you want to spend all day hopping about. Cheap way of doing it, isn't it?
It's really good, right?
Ah, lovely. Fresh. Yeah. Yeah. You just had to get tell twice. Wow. So if you're not covered up, you have to go and hire something to cover your shoulders up, don't you, pet?
Yes.
So we're going in. Karen, what's that? What's that?
Not even a chew.
What is that? Alright. What?
Very pink.
Very pink.
Okay.
Straight on, isn't it? Remember, you've got to duck when you go underneath the under the dragon at the entrance. Oh, sorry. Okay. Just wellied a kid. Well, he needs a hot plate, isn't it?
Egg.
How many? All the same. How are those?
Lovely. Sweet.
Sweet, aren't they? Didn't realise that, did you?
Well, I not video my feet.
Hello, cool people.
No, thank you.
ทำให้ไม่ได้ค่ะ
Wow.
真的虾，真的虾了吗？
They were good, weren't they? I feel like I'm ready for a beverage now after them.
Go for a beer?
A beer.
Say no more.
What have you got?
Something out of SpongeBob. You get a nice head as well. Did I just do the Mark Ween face?
You did. Good job I cut your head off, so we missed it.
You get some with the big heads, and it's like, it's just mush, rain.
Show me. Too late.
That one though. Really spicy though. So what do you think?
I love it.
Where are we?
It's bigger than I thought.
It's huge.
Area, isn't it?
Absolutely huge. Okay. So if you can get a tuk tuk for the same price as a taxi, then it's a no-brainer for us too, because it's so much quicker. It's definitely more fun. And we just like a tuk tuk, don't we? It is. So just done another, I'm saying, that's our first proper night market. It's probably about 10 mile away from where we're staying, so we're going to be in a tuk tuk for a while. But it's a comfortable one. The one this afternoon with hard seats. What could possibly go wrong?
We're winning the race. Oh yeah.
Fastest tuk tuk in the east.
No, it's Southeast Asia. Good price. So this is completely forward to
tell you what, the battery life on the Osmo is absolutely second to none. This has lasted all day. It's still on 35%. Nine. Jesus Christ. It's got to be the craziest one we've ever been in. Oh, goodness sake. And then the F-bomb there. The question is on this one is, does it make it to Coast Road alive? What time is it? 9:45. Absolutely packed so much in there. It's good for the complexion. If anything comes up off a tyre or something like that, gotta go through yet, innit? First time I've ever hoped for traffic. I'm all good. I'm all good. Okay, we survived. We're at Coast Road. Never doubted him. Wow. Right, we're in Don something or other airport in Bangkok. And we're heading to Chiang Mai. And nearly everyone you see has got a mask on. Off of us. Take 26. Literally. Now then, right, we're in Chiang Mai. We've just come to our beautiful Airbnb, and I mean beautiful. The hotel that we stayed in Bangkok was spot on, dead convenient, clean. But this is like a step up. Got a nice massive fridge there. We're going to be here for 3 days, so we will hoist some stuff in there. Probably Chang for Karen. Washing machine we get news later on. Microwave. Proper cups. Absolutely beautiful. Your own Wi-Fi in here. Sports channels, movie channels, everything like that. I've not even looked in the bathroom yet. You've been in, you said it's spot on. Oh bloody hell. Yep. I think that'll do. That'll do, yeah. And the bedroom. Again, I haven't checked it out. Oh, aye. Aircon in all the rooms. Is there aircon in there? Yeah. So one in there and one in there. Brilliant. Yeah, well happy. Well, probably about a 10-minute walk to the main part of where you go into Chiang Mai. It's like a city wall all the way around. You can see the moat there. If you follow the moat, you eventually get to an entrance into Chiang Mai itself, into the city. So I'm looking forward to checking that out. Just checking the scaffolding over there. That's lovely.
It's gorgeous, isn't it?
Yeah, happy.
Made up. Made up.
Oh yeah, highly, highly recommended. Airbnb, it's the way.
Lush.
Now then. Okay, we're here. We're in our Airbnb in Chiang Mai. Absolutely beautiful. So we've got a nice big fridge. Free drinks in there. Even give us pot noodles. Cup of tea. We're using the washing machine later on. Take 25. Okay, so we're at